Question number 1. What is the full form of UNEP? Answer: United Nations Environment Programme. Question number 2. Which conference led to the formation of UNEP? Answer: Stockholm Conference 1972. Question number 3. Who was the Secretary General of Stockholm Conference 1972? Answer: Maurice Strong. Question number 4. What was the slogan of Stockholm Declaration? Answer: Only One Earth. Question number 5. Where is the headquarters of UNEP? Answer: Nairobi, Kenya. Number 6. Who is the present Secretary General of UNEP? Answer: Inger Anderson. Question number 7. What is the full form of UNFCCC? Answer: United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. Question number 8. Who was the founder of UNEP? Answer: Maurice Strong. Question number 9. What is the full form of POPs? Answer: Persistent Organic Pollutants. Question number 10. What are the main types of pollution in our nature? Answer: air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. Question number 11. Movement initiated by India to protect tigers. Answer: Project Tiger. Question number 12. The year in which Project Tiger initiated. Answer: 1973. Question number 13. What is the full form of IUCN? Answer: International Union for Conservation of Nature. Question number 14. When was IUCN founded? Answer: in 1948. Question number 15. Where is the headquarters of IUCN? Answer: Switzerland. Question number 16. List of threatened species prepared by IUCN is called. Answer: the Red Data Book or Red List. Question number 17. On which day National Farmers Day is celebrated in India? Answer: 23rd December. Question number 18. National Farmers Day is celebrated in memory of. Answer: Chaudhary Charan Singh. Question number 19. The botanical treaty documenting the medicinal plants of Malabar is Hortus Malabaricus. Question number 20. Which day is the Karshaka Dinam in Kerala? Answer: first day of Chingam. Question number 21. Movement initiated to conserve Himalayan trees. Answer: Chipko movement. Question number 22. Who was the main leader of Chipko movement? Answer: Sundarlal Bahuguna. Question number 23. Who was the female leader of Chipko movement? Answer: Gora Devi. Question number 24. What is the other name of Chipko movement? Answer: Tree Hugging Movement. Question number 25. Who is known as the mother of Chipko movement? Answer: Gora Devi.